we are at Caribbean Beach. This is actually our last day, so I'm going to show you guys around the resort just a little bit. We used to stay here when I was a kid, so it means a lot to me to stay here again. I was here for my 31st birthday, which was an absolute blast. I always loved that this resort was different islands, so it's split into different islands, and so there's like Aruba, Jamaica, Trinidad, Martinique, and we're in Trinidad, which is near the end of the resort. We're pretty close to the Skyliner. So the Caribbean Beach is connected to the Skyliner, which if you've watched my videos before, you know I love. And so that's been really convenient. We're at the end of the resort and we ended up staying in the pirate rooms that are very much for kids. And I'm a kid at heart, so I absolutely loved it. I have a room tour that I'm going to put in here. I didn't do a professional room tour at first because I was so excited. So the first reaction you'll see is just very raw and real and very excited. And then I'll add in the actual room tour. It is pirate ships! Oh my gosh. Look at Jack Sparrow! Wait, this is the cutest thing! This is for big kids who turn 31 tomorrow. Oh my gosh. This is too cute.
I'm more excited about this.
The view?
Are you kidding me?
Look at this whole thing. Wine barrel, coffee. Is this our fridge? Oh my gosh, the fridge is in a barrel. This is the best birthday ever. All right, I'm gonna do an official room tour now and not just a freak out. Staying in a pirate room at Caribbean Beach. You get to sleep in a pirate bed. The whole room is so themed, which I just think is magical. Is this like a, oh look it, it's kind of like a, what do you call it, a compass? Oh, this is where they find the map in Pirates where they have to do the thing and there's like a missing piece of it. Is that the Fountain of Youth? Is that Pirates movie? Anyways, your TV is on the block of, what would you call those, crates. Fridge is in a wine barrel. 2 sinks, which we love. Cute bathroom, very typical Disney Resort bathroom, but themed, which we love. Oh, and the bricks look like ancient H2O, which smells like Hawaii to me now. It's magical. Kev, is this the best day ever?
Yes, it's wonderful.
I just needed to show that these are drawers. That's so cute. These are drawers. These little crates are drawers. So the room is obviously amazing. The one downside is the beds are incredibly uncomfortable. They're basically like cardboard, definitely on the lower budget side as far as mattress goes. But the rooms themselves, the details were amazing and I was so impressed. We're also in walking distance for the Riviera here, so we are going to get brunch at the Riviera today to experience a different resort and like a different land, a different country, basically entirely. So I'm very excited for that. My mom and I took a dip in the pool yesterday in between parks because it was really warm. Each area here has its own pool, which is really nice, which does make it a lot less crowded. So we took a little dip in the afternoon, which was just lovely. The water temperature was perfect. There weren't a whole lot of people there. It was very private, very quiet. It was just lovely to get off our feet and get a moment of relaxation in the middle of a very busy park day. We loved it. Each island also has its own beach, which is really lovely. It was really fun when we were kids. That's the Skyliner hub over there. It takes us probably like a 7-minute walk to get there. It's fantastic. So now that I caught a little bit of sunset, I'm gonna go get ready and then we're gonna go check out the rest of the resort, do a little shopping, get some food, get some coffee before we leave, and I'll take you guys along. This will be coming home with me. The map, look at the resort map. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, there's no one in here, but I had to show you this adorable mirror in the Caribbean Beach lobby bathroom. Like, the vibes are so cute. Look at the tile. How, and the music. Steel drums always get me. Here we are at the lobby in the shop, and this is where you can get food too. So we're gonna get breakfast at Riviera, which is in walking distance, as you can see. I came here on one of my Christmas vlogs, but this is like a more full go. We love the Caribbean Beach. Like I said, we used to stay here as a kid, so it's really fun staying with my parents and like talking about how we remember everything used to be laid out, because it's changed so much, but then there's also so many things that are similar. So it's been really fun to go through that with them. I already did some shopping, and we're gonna walk around a little bit more, head back to the room, get prepped, pack everything up, and then head over to the Riviera for breakfast. So this area is where you check in. It used to be very different. There used to be a separate check-in area and a separate eatery and shop. And so this now is all of them. So right behind me is where you can get the quick service food, and then you can check in at the lobby right over here. And then they also have their shop, which I will say is much smaller and not as fun as it used to be when I was a kid, because they used to have non-Disney stuff too, like a lot of island merchandise, very like puka shell necklaces. Of course, you could tell I'm a kid from the 90s where they reference puka shells, necklaces, and like fun gear that was like very tropical rather than just Disney. So it's not that much anymore. It's much more Disney, but it's still very nice, and the lobby renovation is awesome. So now we're gonna go walk around. They don't want to be on camera, but they're cute. Yep.
Like all nervous.